come over here? Let it get good and hot before you take off.
Once the cord.
Blow it down even more. You gotta be just a little bit on the outside. A little slower. You guys smell that? That's the smell of money, boys.
Yep. Get that right.
It's about perfect right there. You gotta slow it down until you get the bleed. But if he had a clean edge, it goes perfect all the way down. I can get that.
See this?
Yeah.
That is what we call an area of forgiveness. As long as we've got attachment to the edge of the granule,
I can give you an 1/8 of an inch. I can give you a pencil tip,
yeah.
or what I call a pencil line. I can make it as thick as
In
you can.
actuality, this is perfect. If we had a guy coming behind granules and pouring it in that hot overrun, it's perfect.
If I could give you this all the way through, would that be fine? You wouldn't have to do anything to it.
You wouldn't have to do anything to it.
I can do that.
It depends on the consultant
Yeah.
that's involved in the project. For me, this would be fine. You know, because that's going to be, you're going to have UV's going to pretty much take that away in a couple of years anyway. It's going to shrink it anyway.